from Terry's. Let's make a creative 3D shape to use in logo designs. To start, choose the circle shape from the left tool to draw a circle and fill it with a color. Then select scissor tool to cut the circle into half vertically. Now, use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle and activate the move tool to have it selected. Duplicate the rectangle using Alt drag on Windows or Option drag on Mac. Make the replicas more and distribute them evenly. Navigate to Windows menu and select Symbol to have the symbol window on the right panel. Now, select all the rectangles and drag them into the symbols to create a new symbol. Click OK in the appeared window and delete all the rectangles from the canvas. Now, select the half circle and navigate to the Effect menu and select 3D and select Revolve. In the 3D option window, select the right edge. Click Map Art and from Symbol drop-down menu select the new symbol and click Scale to fit. Put a check mark on both Shade Artwork and Invisible Geometry. Click OK. Change the shape angles as desired. You can use this 3D shape in your logo design or other artistic designs. 3D objects look more real and I like this technique. Hope you enjoy using this technique too.